Hello everyone and welcome to Mia's World. Today is our very first day and we're so excited to be here. Today we have Mia. Say hello, Mia. Say hi. Hi everybody.
Hi everybody. Thank you for coming.
Okay, so today, what do we have, Mia? Today we are going to play with Play-Doh's Amulet and Jewels Vanity Set. And we are so happy and excited to open the new box. Let's open the box, Mia.
Whoa. Mia. There we go.
So what do we have, Mia? What's in the box? We have
a bow. Can you help me? Okay.
and put the
It's a little mirror thing that we have.
Oh,
Wow, what is that, Mia?
that's my face.
That's your face. Is that a mirror?
This is there's a circle. There's an
Close the
oval.
box.
There's a heart.
Oh, you said you have a circle?
Oh.
This is a ring, Mia. Little crown. And the
No,
ones
a
with little things.
princess. I'm Sophia.
Have a little thing to make all the molds.
Wow.
This is moat.
Mia, what color is this?
Pink.
What color is this?
Purple.
What color is this?
Red.
Good job, Mia.
Okay, what are we going to do now, Mia?
Let's put this together.
Okay.
So this piece goes right here.
It goes right
And now
here.
you can wear all of these pieces, Mia.
Okay.
So what is that you have? What is that there?
A bow.
So this is where we are going to make jewelry and amulets, right?
Yep. Here's a purple. It has little glitters.
Glitters.
Mhm.
I would say purple glitters.
Oh, let's see the purple glitter.
There's a side.
Awesome.
That goes Play-Doh right here.
Okay. Is the Sofia supposed to be the other way so you can see the mirror?
Okay.
It wouldn't fit like that.
It doesn't?
No.
Oh, you're right. On the
Okay.
box it is that way.
That was
Okay.
Sophia.
Go sit back down, Mimi. Here's some red, Mia.
Juice. Others. There's a purple down.
Okay. Now we have all the stuff out. You ready to make some jewelry, Mia? Okay.
I was so jolly.
We want to put the pink in the heart one.
I was.
What are you guys doing? Are you making a mold, Mia? What are you doing?
Play-Doh. I like Play-Doh.
Look, Mia, you can put the heart on the ring. See?
Wow.
Want to make another one, Mia? Okay.
Do it myself. Wow. I make a oval. I make oval one.
You wanna
With
I remember when I used to play with Play-Doh.
Is that a circle?
Used to get everywhere.
No. Is that a circle? Is that an oval? No. That's a circle. Okay. Go to the arrow. It's those. What is an arrow? Is that a heart? Yes. That's a heart.
See, is that a heart?
Mm-hmm.
That is a heart right there. Awesome.
She made a Mia.
Huh?
You made a bird.
Oh, I was putting this.
Mhm.
This over one. There's soccer card. So this. There goes Sophia. Oops. There goes Sophia.
You having fun, Mia?
Mhm.
What does Sophia do?
Have this. Oh no! I got mustard. Oh no! What's this?
That's a monster?
That's a mustard.
That's a monster?
That's a fast mustard.
It's a
That's-
monster, no!
No! It's a mustard. Oh, it's Play-Doh. Oh no! I got it. Oh, it's that. It's Sophia.
What is this? Oh, this is...
Sophia.
Wow, let's see.
Oh no, we got it covered. That was Sophia. I got it covered.
Hey, Mia.
Don't worry, Sophia. She has a cover.
Okay. There goes Sophia.
I made a little amulet for you, Mia.
Wow, let's see the amulet, Mia. Oh, wow, say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's banana.
That's a pretty amulet, Mia. Can we see?
Okay.
So pretty.
The scalp.
Did we make that amulet out of Play-Doh?
It's called Play-Doh? I forgot it was called Play-Doh.
For yarn. This.
Mia, do you want to make a little squirrel?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that messed up. That worked. Hey, there's a squirrel, Mia.
Whoa.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
How much money was this?
$15 maybe?
Okay.
I think it was $14.99 at Toys R Us.
Okay. So you guys can go to
www.toysrus.com
.com
and order this Play-Doh set,
for only
which
$14.99.
is amulets and Jules vanity sets,
For $14.99.
ages 3 and up.
For $14.99.
I think it's $14.99. Might have been $15.99. Actually, might have been $9.99. Either way, it's so totally fun, and Mia and her handy helping hands are having so much fun with it.
I'm like the master hands of Play-Doh.
Master hands of Play-Doh.
Have you played Super Smash Bros?
I've never played Super Smash Bros.
You want to play it with me?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, me?
Sure.
But yeah, I'm the master hand of Mia's world.
He is the master hand. Let's see the master hand of Mia's world.
Hey.
What you doing over there, Mia?
Sitting in a chair. Sitting. I was my favorite emote. I was just colors. This is blue, pink, and yellow.
Awesome.
I was just,
What are you looking at?
my favorite.
Let's see. Wow. That's a mirror on the back of there.
I Sophia.
You're Sophia.
Okay, everyone.
Okay, so this concludes our very first day in Mia's world.
Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.
Subscribe and goodbye. Thank you for coming.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.